Goodbye. Nice to meet you.
There you go.
Should have just stayed in the line for the bus. Solo mission. Raksha's sleeping, and it's cold and raining, so trying to find some food. Everything closes at 3, and it's 3. Don't know what I found. I just walked in the gate. I think this is a museum of some sort. Wrong time to be wearing these guys. Silly American walking around the rain by himself. Leaving the secret garden.
We're about to go get dinner. This is the weather we're currently stuck with. Here's our dinner. We ordered some sea bass, came with some boiled potatoes. Here's our new friend.
Goodbye. Nice to meet you.
Bye.
Fun time for you and the youth.
It is so hot. We just wrapped up all our sweater into this ball that Patrick's gonna carry now. That's the ball. Oh. Now he wrapped it in the water bottle in the thing. Go up these steps here. I believe we just walk into it.
Hi, nice lady. You okay?
Yes.
Where are you from?
Here's what Patrick ordered. Fresh mozzarella. Is it good? Can I try some? Okay guys, see you later. At the Truckee Fountain, it's a madhouse over here. A lot of people buzzing in and out, It's crazy. No such thing as coming to Italy and not enjoying some gelato. It's starting to drip. Dinner. Bananas hanging up in the ceiling. Here's my vegetarian tacos. Came with some guac, beans, cilantro, onions. Here's Patrick's chicken tacos.
Chicken, pork, and I think I got one vegetarian too.
Do you like it?
Very good.
Look at this place, it's massive. I can't believe you didn't get it. Look at this menacing cloud right above us. Jeez. Look what happened. It's pouring down rain. Look at Patrick. Spina. She's looking at Patrick. He's eating his cheese. She has our little treats there. There you go. Her name's Spina, and she's 7 years old.
10.
She's a cutie. She's a cutie. Essentials on this rainy day. Wi-Fi, whiskey, vodka soda, umbrella, husband, water, people watch.
Lovely square.
What salad is it?
Looks good.